Deadly tornadoes and record-high rainfall have cut a path of death and destruction throughout the U.S. Midwest in recent weeks. The region is known for such weather, but this year has been extreme. According to scientists, one of the reasons may lie far away near the equator in the Pacific Ocean. It's known as La Niña, a condition where ocean surface temperatures in the tropical Pacific are cooler than normal. When La Niña is in effect, it can shift weather patterns all over the planet, and according to Professor Brian Soden at the University of Miami, create perfect conditions for extreme weather.
During a La Niña event, it makes the atmosphere over the Atlantic more unstable, which is more conducive to the development of tropical storms and hurricanes.
Soden and his colleague Professor Ben Kurtman are keeping a close watch over the current La Niña. They say if equatorial Pacific Ocean temperatures do not rise, it could mean for a more intense Atlantic hurricane season. Over the long term, they say that global warming and climate change might also come into play with global weather patterns.
You can expect things as the climate warms. You see more frequent extreme rainfall events, more frequent droughts. In terms of the precipitation, you get an increase in the severity of the extremes. You can also expect to see more frequent heat waves. But again, these things become apparent in the data on the decade-to-decade timescales.
But there is some disagreement over the issue of climate change, which is why it's a subject of intensive research around the world.
We don't know how global warming is going to affect El Nino and La Nina. Our models are very much in disagreement. Our understanding of the impacts of climate change on what's going to happen to El Nino is in its most immature state. This is a very contested, hot research topic, and the answer is we just don't know.
Both scientists say that computational models of weather patterns are improving, and that one day science will be able to save lives by better predicting and tracking extreme weather. Ben Gruber, Reuters.